Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're back as we continue working on our Wix blog site, and in this video, we're going to be beautifying the other web pages of our Wix blog site. So what are we waiting for? Let's hop right onto it. First, in order for us to access the other web pages within our Wix blog site, we just have to go to the Pages and Menu button. Now we're going to select whatever web page we'd like to work on first. We already did the major parts in the previous video. We already selected a color theme. We also already selected a text theme and everything else. So all there's left for us to do now is just simply to rearrange things on our other web pages and also edit our web pages' texts, content, etc. So let's do it. These are the web pages that you can see on your site, and these are the web pages you're going to work on. If there is a web page that you think you don't need, then click on that page. So I don't have a podcast, and I'm not going to be creating a podcast. So I'm going to delete this page. I'm going to click on this three-dot button here, and at the bottom, I'm going to click on delete. This warning pop-up window will show up, so I'm just going to click on delete to confirm. And it'll be successfully deleted. So now we're back on our home page, but since we already finished designing that, we're going to work on our About page. So here we are. This is our About page. So I am going to basically just edit these things over here. Let's start with a strip background so it's very monochromatic. We're going to change it to our website's brand color. So I'm going to click on Change Background, Color, and I'm going to select a color here, add a theme color. It looks like it's not showing up my color palette. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Media and use this once again as my reference. So I'm going to just resize that, just enough for us to see the colors here. I'm going to click on this strip again and click on Change Background, click on Color, click on this button, the plus button, and select the Color Picker tool. And this time I'd like to use this color as my background. Ooh, it's not doing it. Let's try it again. Oh, we forgot to click on Apply, so don't forget to click on Apply. There we go. Now I'd like to change this, the color of this. So let's try to see if it looks good with white. Seems okay, but can't really see anything. So maybe we could change it to this color instead. And click on Apply. Okay, I think it's all right. Much better than before. So I'm going to delete this image now, and I'm going to replace this image over here. So we're going to click on Change Image, and I don't have my own image files to use for this, so I'm just going to look for some files from Wix's media library. I'm going to search for Arts and Crafts and hit Enter. And I'm going to select this one, for example, and let's click on Choose Image. Oh, okay. So I guess I'm going to check this, uncheck this, and click on None. There you go, much better. And if you'd like to change the shape of your image, go to this crop button over here and click on the shape crop icon and select a shape you'd like to use. How about this one? Looks very interesting. And I'm going to drag this photo over here and click on apply. There we go. I think it's much better. And now we're going to work on our content. And yeah, I think it's okay there. Hi, I'm Jane. And if you need help creating content, just click on Create AI Text and input your prompt over here. And once you're done inputting your prompt, you can hit the Enter button on your keyboard or this button over here. And wait for Wix's AI to finish generating your text. And once you're ready, you can either click on Copy Text or use Text. And just a heads up, make sure to read through your text because there are a lot of times it contains errors that you need to tweak and edit. So double check everything. I'm gonna shortly do that. Okay, I think I'm quite happy with my text now, so that should do it. I'm just going to edit this over here. Click on Edit Text. I'd like to change its color to this. And I'd like to adjust its character spacing to something like that. Now I'd like to copy this, Control+C, and Control+V it over here. Let's try that again. And I'm going to say contact. And let's move our form a bit lower. Okay, much better. So this is what our About page looks like so far. You can continue editing your page however you want. And once you're done editing or redesigning your page, then you can move on to the next page. Just go to the Pages and Menu button and move on to the next page you want to edit until you finish editing all of your web pages, making sure that all of your font colors and fonts are the same or consistent all throughout your website to make sure that it looks professional. And once you're done, don't forget to save your progress all the time. So go ahead and click on Save. And that's it. Next up, we are going to be designing our website's mobile view. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.